This Chrome extension is going to put your ChatGPT and Bard on steroids. It'll give you 3x better answers and will roughly save you 1 hour every day. I am Abhi, an AI engineer, and I'm the co-founder of DiveDash.ai. We are changing the way you ask questions to ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Okay, I have 2 questions. Both of them are asking ChatGPT to write an email to the marketing manager. Now, one is on the left. That's how we all generally write questions on ChatGPT. While the one on the right is written by a prompt engineering expert. Which one do you think will get a better answer? It's obviously right one, right? And it'll get better answer by a margin. Better questions give better answers. This is what we call prompt engineering, the art of asking right. Now, once you install the extension, you'll discover over 500 plus fine-tuned templates right within your ChatGPT and Bard. Now, we have 20 plus topics from SEO to blogs to sales to cold email to writing for health trainers to product management to your everyday life and relationship. Now, let me create a newsletter. Okay, write an email newsletter. Now just look at any of these templates. You'll see the clarity, the depth and detail of the instructions we're going to give to AI, right? You can blindly trust our prompt engineers on it. Now, all you got to do is fill the template out, like fill out the business name and what you offer. So every template has some variables which you're going to need to fill. And you can choose the final desired output language in which you want, the tone in which you want it to write, and the default writing style. Now, once you fill the template, all you got to do is just go down and click this button, use prompt. Now, it added all the variables in this template, and now our GPT is going to do the job. Nice. So it wrote like a email newsletter for me. Now let's go back. If you love any template, you can favorite them. Press this icon here and they'll all land into your favorites. So scroll through the templates, see what fits your business need and mark them favorites. One more thing, you can also create your own prompts. Just click on my prompt, click on create prompt, and let me create one super quick for you. Now I wrote this prompt for product page description. I have a lot of e-commerce clients, and for every new product they want to add, we have to write this description. So I just wrote this prompt and I'm just going to click on save prompt. Now you can see this prompt is up here. Now Prompt Dash is not just a tool, it's your personal AI assistant for ChatGPT and Bard. I invite you to join our community, or you can chat with us in real time, share your challenges, report any bugs, or simply say hello. Until then, power up your questions with Prompt Dash.